This is going to be a video tutorial on how to save a web page as a PDF using the Vivaldi web browser. Let me jump over to Vivaldi here. Okay, I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. I'm just on the regular Google search web page here. This will work with any web page, but I'm going to use this one as an example. To save a web page as a PDF using the Vivaldi web browser, the first thing you want to do is go up to the upper left-hand corner, up to where you see the V, and you want to click on the V. Then you want to go down and place your cursor over where it says File. Then you'll go straight off to the right side and down to where it says Print, and you want to click on Print. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the right hand side here where you see it says Destination, you want to go off to the right of that, and as you can see my printer is set up as the destination, but I don't want to print this, I want to save it as a PDF. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the little arrow, little drop down arrow next to my printer, and I'm going to go down and click on Save as PDF. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom right hand side and I'm going to click on Save. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, you want to name your file. I'm just going to leave mine as google.pdf. You want to choose the destination for your file. I'm going to place mine in my Pictures folder. And then you want to go down to the bottom right hand side of that dialog box and click on Save. Now if I open up my Pictures folder here, right here is the PDF, google.pdf. I'm going to double click on it to open it. It has opened in my PDF viewer, and there is the web page. I saved it as a PDF. That is how to save a web page as a PDF using the Vivaldi web browser. Thanks for watching.